Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to make power screen in Capcut for PC. Just simple, I'm going to add this clip and then how to make power screen. You can click Evade and you can find Evade in split and select this Evade power screen evade. Yes. Right here and you can adjust for duration like this. Okay, here we go. Okay, just simple how to make full screen in Capcut for PC. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And you can click this button for appreciate and show time. Bye bye.